Good morning, guys. Settle down. So what we started discussing was questioning of second phase particle in a two-phase matrix. We were not discussing about questioning of drains. We were discussing about in a two-phase or multi-phase system questioning of the precipitate phases, which is also called Ostwald-Rayleigh. And we came to the state. I'll start from the state where we stopped the last class. We derived till this point that dr dt, where r is the radius of the precipitate. Who is talking? Stop talking. Dr dt is equal to 2 d2 dm gamma c divided by r rt c beta 1 over Rn minus 1 over r. A particle of size r is growing. Its velocity is given by dr dt. Diffusivity of the solute that is being transported from small particle in front of small particle to in front of large particle through the matrix, that diffusivity. 2 is a number, Vm is the molar volume of the precipitate. Vm is the molar volume of precipitate. Gamma is interfacial energy between precipitate and the matrix. C infinity is the composition of the matrix in equilibrium with a very large precipitate, infinite size, infinite radius of curvature or almost zero curvature. A flat precipitate, C infinity can be taken as C equilibrium value given by the phase diagram. That is of alpha, that is of metric space. R is the size of the precipitate. This capital R is ideal gas constant. Capital T is absolute temperature. C beta is composition of the beta precipitate base. Rm is mean. There is a size distribution of precipitate, the mean size, mean radius of the precipitate distribution, and R is a particular, R is the size of that precipitate that is growing. And from these few observations we made that at R equal to Rm, if radius of the particle in an individual particle is same as the average radius of the precipitate size distribution, then velocity of that precipitate is 0. If R is lower than Rm, R is smaller than Rm, then this quantity becomes bigger compared to 1 over Rm. 1 over R is larger than 1 over Rm. So dr dt becomes negative. Dr dt becomes negative meaning it is dissolving in the matrix. And if R greater than Rm, then it is positive. What else we observe? We also observe for R equal to 2 Rm, this velocity becomes maximum. For R is very, very large, if it is infinitely large particle, then the velocity of that also becomes 0. So how the velocity of that individual particle how will it vary graphically if you plot dRdt versus R? I wanted you to plot that in your own notebooks. Anyone of you can try? Here, what we are plotting? Our x-axis is dRdt. Say this is the zero value of the dRdt. At a r equal to Rm, it should be 0. At r equal to 2Rm, it should be maximum. And below Rm, it is negative. Here maximum, and then it is after 2 after so at particular time, say t equal to t1, this is the distribution, this is the velocity curve. Now I wanted you to plot at certain other time, after some more time, at t2. At t2, your Rm is also as increased. At t2, after some more time, your Rm has increased. Accordingly, your 2Rm has increased. But as your R increases, your velocity decreases. So overall curve will be lower than this. So it will be kind of the whole curve will be lower than the previous one. Resolution, if R less than Rm, dRdt is negative. Guys, please pay attention. If R less than Rm, dRdt is negative. Now, for a smaller particle, that negative dRdt value will be more. If it is smaller particle, so smaller particles will dissolve back at faster rate. So these observations we could make. Assume at this point, we assume that the growth rate of the mean size of mean particle size Rm. So a particle of size Rm that is growing, that is drm dt. The growth rate of average particle size is same as the maximum growth rate observed. So if we assume that this is same as the maximum growth rate observed is dRdt at r equal to 2Rm, that is the maximum growth rate observed. Now with this assumption, can you derive the kinetic law of Courseney? What is Courseney law? How Rm varies as a function of time. How average particle size varies as a function of time. What you need to do is nothing but drm dt in this equation, drm dt, but r equal to 2Rm. Put it and tell me the final expression. 0 at t equal to 0, your Rm say is Rn naught. And at T, Rn is Rn.
Q.
Rn naught Q. So
Yes.
let me write. This is not my version. This is.
Sir, this is Rn.
Sir, sir,
Rn
sir.
Rn
Rn
equals to Rm not Q.
Rn equal to
Rm not Q.
Rn equal to Rn not Q. And what should I do if he says wrong? Yeah, sir.
Plus 3 by 4.
What? Rn not Q.
Plus 3 by plus 3 by 4. Rm not Q.
Hey, do not write these things on your notebook because this is just such. Yeah, Rn not Q
Plus 3 by 4.
plus 3 by 4
dVm gamma c.
dVm
Gamma c infinite.
gamma
C infinite. C alpha. By RT C beta.
divided by
RT
RT
C beta. Whole into T.
into T
Whole to the power 1 by.
whole to the power
1 by.
whole meaning from where to where?
Whole.
Here or
No.
here or here?
No. On.
Here.
So starting from Rm not.
So I can write here also. That then
So you told that.
I understood. Fine. Is that what you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Sujata, please check whether it is correct or not. बाकी सब ठीक है ना? Okay. Then sir, you have to give the RMQ is varying with time, okay, linearly. So this is what called Greenwood's rate equation. Greenwood's rate equation, Coursening rate equation for diffusion control process. This was one of the earliest trial which is based on certain assumptions which are not realistic, but this holds very well for long, like still it is holding. Only thing, also the more popular version of a Coursening equation, you would find out that LSW theory, where L is Lipschitz, Slyozov, and Wagner. So Lipschitz and Slyozov, they published a paper in the same year. Wagner also independently published a paper on this, and their approach was same on the Coursening rate, and it was much more elaborate than what Greenwood did. I am not going into detail for the class that I am not going into detail of LSW theory derivation. I will just write what they found out is not much different. Their ultimate expression was not much different than Greenwood. In the sense, the ultimate expression was RMQ thus that instead of 3/2, they got 8/9. As a result, their particle size distribution was more compact. But this LSW theory, which was developed almost 60 years ago from now, that has been considered because their approach was more rigorous. Although many systems, but all the further derivations of portioning kinetics all compared against them. So LSW theory, and the earliest one was Greenwood theory, because Oswald actually described it qualitatively, the ripening process. That's why it goes by his name. But after explaining, almost 50 years passed after that, Greenwood came up with that derivation that we derived. And later LSW derivation, which we have not derived but wrote the final expression, was much